What's up, everybody? Dr. Abasolo here. I got my boy Eric Bigger. You may recognize him from The Bachelorette. He's actually getting his first adjustment today. You ready?
I guess.
Hurry up! Watch out, my mind. Oh my God!
Oh, holy shit! Mazel tov! Your shit is funny. It's like a roller coaster. Oh! Oh! It's miracle season. Oh!
Wiggle your toes for me.
Oh! God damn! Yo! How did you do that?
Elementary, my dear Watson.
All right, brother. You just got adjusted for the first time. How do you feel?
I feel free. In order to be me, I have to be free. He freed me!
I freed him, y'all.
Dr. Abs, come get freed.
Come in, Beverly Hills Disc and Laser Therapy Center. Get a great adjustment.
Yes, sir. Adjusted, not busted.